Janice, good evening. You may remember earlier this year that a British judge blocked Julian Assange's extradition to the United States on the basis that he could commit self-harm if he had to stay in one of those Supermax-style American prisons. Well, today the United States government is going to argue that judge in the original case was misled by a psychiatric expert who evaluated Mr Assange's mental health. They are also going to be presenting a package of what they describe as reassurance measures. They say that if the Australian is extradited to the US, he won't have to stay in a maximum security prison and that he could serve much of his sentence in Australia. The United States Department of Justice wants to put Mr Assange on trial on hacking and espionage charges. He would face a potential life sentence if found guilty.
And then Mr Assange's team will have the chance to respond. So how are they likely to argue?
Well, they are essentially going to say you can't trust anything the United States government says, that the assurances mean nothing, that once he is in US custody, the US government can do what they want. They will also point to recent reporting which claimed that the CIA under the Trump administration had been looking at different ways they could either kidnap or assassinate Julian Assange when he was staying in the Ecuadorian embassy in London. This appeal hearing is going to last 2 days. It is unlikely we will get a result immediately, and Mr Assange is likely to remain in prison for some time yet because further appeals are possible.